this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MIDI to FL Studio Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily set up and use FL Studio Mobile in conjunction with any instrument. So to do this, you will be connecting it through the appropriate cable for your specific model of MIDI device. In this example, I'm showcasing this with an Yamaha keyboard. What you are looking for is ideally a USB-B port labeled, for example, USB to host. Of course, this is going to depend entirely on the model of MIDI device that you are using. Some of them might not have this specific port, and then you have to look into other ways of connecting them together. But because this video is supposed to be just a generalistic approach, I believe that this is going to be usable by most people. So you will grab the appropriate cable, USB-B to USB-A. You will plug one end of the cable into the MIDI device, and the other one is going to go into a hub. This hub will be connected into your phone, and it's what gives you access to a USB-A port that needs to be used for the connection between the MIDI device and your phone. So you connect the MIDI device to the camera hub or any other USB hub that you have, and the other end goes into your phone. You will also be able to charge your device while this cable is connected, because there's another Lightning or USB-C port available after you plug it in. So it is simple to do. With this done, you can open FL Studio Mobile or any other recording software on your phone and start recording. So just use the appropriate adapters and you can connect all of them together. Check the connection at the back and check the manual if needed to see which cable you have to use for your particular MIDI device. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.